Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you have got bare spots or thin patches in your lawn, don't worry. Today I am going to show you how to repair and reseed your lawn the right way so you can get that thick green grass back fast. So today at my local Home Depot, which offers a variety of grass seed blends which are suited for different regions, cool seasons and warm seasons, and different purposes like sun, shade or high traffic areas. Brands like Scott, Pennington, and Vigoro are popular choices. Look for patch and repair kits which combine seed, fertilizer, mulch in one bag. These are all ready to use lawn repair kits like Scott Easy Seed, Pennington One Step Complete. These kits usually include grass seed, fertilizer, and mulch in one easy to apply mix, perfect for patch jobs. You might need some premium topsoil, a lawn repair soil, seed starter soil to help your grass seed establish root quickly. Scott lawn soil and Miracle Grow lawn soils are great options for boosting early growth. These kits usually include grass seed, fertilizer, and mulch in one easy to apply mix, perfect for patch jobs. Starter fertilizers like Scott Turf Builder Starter Food for new grass help promote quick root growth. Fertilizer, especially for seeding, ensures strong, healthy grass from the beginning. Light mulch or straw seed blankets help protect new grass seed from washing away and retain moisture. Watering is also very important, so keep seeds moist with sprinkler, water cans, or garden hose. You can also use brands like Orbit, Rainbird for watering needs. Also look for regional specific seed mixes, so you can pick up the matches your local climate for the best result. So let's dive in and welcome to MG Factor. First thing first, you want to prep the patch. Use a rake or shovel to remove dead grass, weed or loose debris. You want to lose the top 1 to 2 inches of soil so the new seed can settle in nicely. If your soil looks tired or compacted, add a little fresh topsoil to the lawn repair mix. This gives your seeds a great start with nutrient in the ground. Now it's time to spread your grass seed. Pick a seed type that matches the rest of your lawn and spread it evenly through the patch. Be generous, but don't overdo it. Overcrowded seeds can fight each other and struggle to grow. Lightly rake the seed into the soil, just enough so it's barely covered. Then give it a good drink with a gentle mist or fine spray setting. You want the soil to stay moist, not flooded, until the seed sprouts. Gently pat the soil so that the seed has good contact. You can use peat moss or straw to cover the top, which prevents the seed from bird picking. Keep the area watered every day for the first 2 weeks, especially if it's sunny and warm. In about 10 to 14 days, you should start seeing fresh new grass popping up. And that's it. A simple way to repair and reseed those annoying bare patches in your lawn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more easy home and garden tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to a greener, thicker lawn.